This crypto wallet is launching their own token. And I think it will be huge. They raised already $14 million. And I want to tell you more, guys. So keep on watching if you're curious. So first of all, thanks everybody for being on this channel, because we have reached 10,000 subscribers. If you're here, you like the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, because we talk every day about crypto, new projects, pre-sales, market updates. You think about crypto, you need to be here. So let's start. I'm talking about Best Wallet, and Best Wallet is similar to MetaMask, but with way more potential. It is similar to MetaMask, but with way more options. And I will tell you exactly what kind of options I mean. Something like MetaMask on steroids. So first of all, the pre-sale is live. After watching, you think like, hey, this is something for me. I want to participate into this project early. Link inside the description, which guides you to the official website. And what do we see here is, first of all, they also want to offer new projects like a launchpad inside their wallet. So early access to new projects. Beside that, they also want to reduce their transaction fees, because sometimes you think it is a small portion, but still $20, $30 on every trade can be a huge thing if you do it multiple times a year. So imagine 10 trades is already $200 if you pay $20 in fees, and they want to reduce this. Higher staking rewards. So some of the wallets are already offering something like staking rewards or 5%, and they want to increase this amount. I'm not sure how, but we can see hold the Best Wallet token to gain higher APY opportunities in our Best Wallet staking aggregator. There is also a community governance section where you can vote with your tokens on future decisions. So what else, guys? What else is in place? We talked about it, buy and sell, of course. There is a store where you can store multiple chains. MetaMask has only like several chains, but not Bitcoin, or since very soon it was Solana, so it's a nice upgrade, but still they offer 60 plus chains inside Best Wallet. Deposit is possible, send, swap, manage portfolio by naming your wallets in categories, staking, we talked about it, spend, so there will also be a card available which you can spend money in real life, and a token launchpad, which gives you early access to new projects on the market. And it is also recommended by several news pages. We can see Bitcoin Magazine, Rewind, Crypto News, and some other pages also. What else is important for you to understand before you can make yourself a decision? It is the tokenomics. We can see project development, marketing, airdrops. So there is also an airdrop upcoming for the people, and that is staking rewards, which give you the opportunity to stake your tokens, get free tokens back by locking them into a smart contract. Phase 1 is completed. Currently they are in phase 2 with launching their new token, airdrop launch, fiat on-ramp and cross-chain swaps, and in phase 3 will be very soon. We can see many updates are coming, and I like it that they don't release everything at once. They release step-by-step new upgrades, and I think that's the best way to launch a project. So guys, Best Wallet card is also coming. I'm not sure when, but it will come. So we can see, let's wait for that, because it's easy. You deposit money, spend it, beep, and that's it. FAQ. I think I don't have to handle this kind of stuff, because it's simple questions as how do I stake tokens I bought, where do I get access, where do I get my Best Wallet airdrop. You will be able to claim your best tokens at the end of the Best Wallet airdrop by using a simple claim procedure. Yeah, is there anything else? I don't know. Like, there is a link inside the description which guides you to the official website. If you have any other questions, let me know. I would love to answer them, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.